Well friends, here is the next problem. First let us see the given direction. The given direction is, in the following questions a word is written according to some code. In each question a word is given and find how this can be written in the same code. Let us consider the given question. If life is coded as ORUV, then Mike can be written as. See friends, whenever we come across with the alphabet, what we need to do? First and foremost thing is that let us write the positions of the letter. Okay. Consider first life. Now let me write the positions of the letter. Now what is the position of the letter L? Of course it is 12. What is the position of the letter I? It is 9. What is the position of the letter F? Yes, it is 6. And what is the position of the letter E? Of course it is 5. Okay. Now this life is coded as ORUV. Okay, that is coded as ORUV. Once again, let me write the positions of the letters. Okay. Now the position of the letter O is, of course it is 15. What is the position of the letter R? Yes, it is 18. Similarly, the position of the letter U is, yes, it is 21. And the position of the letter V is, yes, it is 22. Now we have to find the analogy between the given letters. Friends, look at here. 12 plus 15 is what? It is 27. Okay. Now, 9 plus 18. What is 9 plus 18? Again it is 27. See. 6 plus 21. Again it is 27. And 5 plus 22 is what? Once again it is 27. That means when I add the numbers, that means when I add the positions of the letters, what I am getting? I am getting as 27, 27, 27, 27. The same analogy I will use to write the mic. Okay. Let me write mic first. M-I-K-E. Now what I will do? I will write the positions of the letters M-I-K-E. Okay. Now what is the position of the letter M? Yes, it is 13. Now what is the position of the letter I? Yes, it is 9. Now what is the position of the letter K? Of course it is 11. And the position of the letter E is, yes, it is 5. Now what I have to do? I have to get the total number as 27. That means if I add 14 to the 13, I will get 27. That means I have to add 14, right? Now 14 is the position of which letter? Yes, of course it is N. Right? Now 13 plus 14 is what? Once again it is 27. Okay, that is 27. Now to get 27, what number I should add to 9? Of course it is how much? Yes, it is 18. Right? Now what is the letter which is having position 18? Yes, of course it is R. Once again, 9 plus 18 is what? 27. Okay. Now I am having 11. To get 27, what I have to do? I have to add how much? Of course it is 16. Right? Now 16 is the position of which letter? Of course it is P. Once again see, 11 plus 16 is what? It is 27. Now 5. To get 27, what I have to do? I have to add 22. What I need to do? I need to add 22. And 22 is the position of which letter? Of course it is V. See, once again, 5 plus 22 is what? 27. So now I have coded Mike as NRPV. Now let us check the given options. The first option is NRPV. The first option itself matches with our result. Therefore, option 1 is the right option. We will see some more number of problems.